By day 60, the survivors of the Andes crash knew no one was coming. Two of them volunteered to climb out. Nando Parrado and Roberto Canessa, both in their early 20s. Neither was a mountaineer. They had no map, no compass, no proper boots. They wore rugby shoes wrapped in foam from airplane seats. They carried scraps of food in a sock. For 10 days, they walked across glaciers and ridges no human was supposed to cross alive. On the 10th day, they came down into a green valley. A man on horseback saw them on the far side of a river. He threw a stone with a note wrapped around it. The note said, "I have come from a plane that fell in the mountains." Watch the full story. History Unfolded.